GURE stock analysis. This is for next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very short 1-minute video till the end, find out. Briefly, just observing Gulf Resources. 13% up is great performance for Thursday, and mainly look at it from a weekly perspective. It's still one heck of a bearish market. Now, people would like to overcomplicate stuff, but I would rather just stick to my strategy that I've tested for 39,000 videos, you see? And unless the rules are met, then there's just no way that I'm going to look to really change anything. Currently, even with looking at GURE, this is my chart. Notice how unless I see breaks above 121, then there's just no way that I'm going to further look to take things higher, right? It's currently a bearish range, and that's exactly what I'm sticking to, at least. It is obviously not financial advice. I'm genuinely sure that I had some previous receipts with GURE, but it's not showing in the Discord, which is fair. Other than that, yeah, it's just like a waiting game. And when we open up tomorrow on this, you bet my rules must be met, right? And if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, then just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.